How to add webcam to PC/laptop. First, connect the webcam's USB cable to your laptop. After that, go to the search bar and open Control Panel, then click on Devices and Printers. Here, you will see that the webcam has been connected to your laptop. Click on the device, select Hardware, and you will see your webcam listed. Double-click on it, go to the General tab, then click Driver and select Details to check the device information. Next, click on Events to view device events, then click OK. Open Properties, click OK again, and close the window. Now open Settings, go to Privacy, and click on Camera. Scroll down and enable all the required camera access options. Close this window and open the Camera app. Go to Camera Settings and make sure everything is enabled. Next, go to Framing Grid Settings and adjust the options as needed. Select Use Custom In-App Settings if required. Then open Related Settings and turn on Try Out New Experience. As you can see, the webcam is now connected to the PC. That's how you connect and install a webcam on a laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.